Seema, a warm and passionate environmentalist, speaking softly to the audience.
Welcome, my dear friends. I am Seema. Today, I want to share with you the profound joy and fulfillment that comes from embracing and loving the birds and animals that grace our world. You see, loving birds and animals is not just about admiring their beauty from afar, it's about forming a deep connection with them, understanding their needs, and becoming stewards of their well being. But love goes beyond just the physical necessities. It's about creating a welcoming environment where birds and animals feel safe and valued. One of the simplest ways to show love to our feathered friends is by providing them with food, water, and shelter. It's amazing how something as small as a bird feeder can make such a big difference in their lives. In every creature, there is magic. In every encounter, there is beauty. Let us cherish these moments, for they are the threads that weave the tapestry of life. By advocating for their welfare, whether it's through supporting conservation efforts, volunteering at wildlife rescues, or simply speaking up for those who cannot speak for themselves, we can make a real difference in their lives. So, my friends, let us open our hearts to the wonders of nature. Let us cherish every bird song, every flutter of wings, and every paw print in the sand. By loving and protecting the birds and animals that share our world, we find true fulfillment and purpose.